special over. For the special super over is Devendra Kumar. Devendra, good afternoon, good evening now. Oh, what an end this is for the IBA Cup.
Well, Rashid Khan making sure that the match will be decided on the super over. Gurbaz, he can strike the cricket ball really well, played some delightful shots. Mohammad Nabi has come out to bat and into his 10th match, 332 runs, but he's been in good form, striking runs consistently in this series. Mohammad Nabi will give him the company at the age of 35, all the experience of handling the pressure situations, and that's why they decided to go with Mohammad Nabi. They had a little bit of discussion with H.D. Ackerman who should go to open the batting. But this is the moment. Afghanistan, how many from this over? Craig Young has been given the responsibility at the age of 29. First ball. Doesn't get the timing. Single of the first.
Oh, good bowling there. Good start by Craig Young. Outside the off stump, Yorker. And Gurbaz not able to make a connection onto that one. But it took a lot of meat on the bat. And in comes the experienced senior personnel of Afghanistan, Mohammad Nabi.
Young is the bowler and Nabi the experience on a strike. They need a boundary. He gets a full toss and hammers it through the onside. There is a protection on the boundary. And it's only single. 2 runs of the first 2 deliveries.
Good start this. And have a look at the crowd. And this is what you call Paisa Vasool. They have come here for an exciting match and they have been given an exciting match.
He can hit 360. The crowd is waiting in nervous anticipation. What's on offer? Swibble, he gets it fine, but not quite fine. 3 runs of the first 3 deliveries. It's not the kind of start that Afghanistan wanted in this over.
Were there. Always question is the one who hit the last ball for a boundary, Rashid Khan. Why did he not come out to bat? But the questions will always be there. In the meanwhile, bouncer pulled away in the air. Is that a chance? No, it's not. On the bounce. Again, just 2 runs. Ireland will not be disappointed with that. They'll be happy because first 4 deliveries, only 5 runs scored.
This plays to register first victory after 7 years. Asghar Afghan. He's nervous. He hasn't got the ball rolling across square.
4 balls, 5 runs. Nabi batting on 3 of just 2 deliveries. In comes Craig Young again from the pavilion end.
Not quite getting the timing. Single won't be enough. They will settle for a single. This has been a magnificent bowling performance from Craig Young.
Magnificent. Splendid so far. Use all the adjectives possible.
Third man up in the circle. Finally up in the circle. Gurbaz has a strike. He gets it over the top of extra cover. They got the fielder there on the boundary. And they settle for a single. Once the second run, throw to the keepers and the stumps are broken. And it's been referred to the third umpire. This has been a superb over in the super over from Craig Young.
Oh, brilliant bowling. At 1 run. It was a decent throw. Good collection by the wicket keeper. Just flicked off the bails. And that's a green light. So that'll be not out. Us. And 9 is the target for Ireland. To defend that target, you need your most experienced bowler, the most successful bowler.
Bowl for a while, but the decision is not made as yet. So now, Kevin O'Brien and Paul Stirling to come in. Rashid Khan has been given this task of once again registering a win for his side.
Paul Stirling. He'll be facing, and along with him is the 36-year-old Paul Stirling. So got some experience there, 39 and 36-year-olds. And Rashid Khan, the bowler.
So they got square leg on the boundary, mid-wicket on the boundary, long on the boundary, man at the sweeper on the boundary and long off, over extra cover maybe. He hits it down the ground, that's gone high up in the air. Where's the fielder? The fielder might not reach there. One bounce to him and the single conceded of the very first delivery. And Stirling will have a strike now.
Oh, what a start this for the super over. Rashid Khan nicely tossing it up. And as expected, Kevin O'Brien, pardon me, it was Kevin O'Brien there going for the big heave on the leg side with the top edge, but the ball falling in no man's land. 4 fielders on the leg side, 3 fielders, pardon me, outside the 30-yard circle, a short fine leg, but the ball falling in no man's land. First runs on the board, and it's going to be Paul Stirling on strike now.
Nervous smiles, gets in the slot, he has hammered it away from that fielder. 1 bounce for 4.
4 runs for Paul Stirling, and now it definitely is Ireland who are on the brink of making a history. It's been 7 years since Ireland have beaten Afghanistan in this format, but it looks like right now they are the favourites. 5 runs already, so 4 runs required from 4 balls, a run a ball. And Rashid Khan under the pump.
This is the moment to produce a wicket-taking delivery. Gets in the slot, out for LBW. He's taken the wicket. Rashid Khan, the magician, has provided them the wicket that they needed.
The wrong one, exactly what the doctor ordered right now for Afghanistan. Have a look at that again. Nicely tossed up. He was deep in the crease there. The wrong one. And the finger has been raised. Paul Stirling will have to walk back. And it's 5.
Playing against Afghanistan and scoring runs, but not today. This is the moment. Can he produce a wicket here? He's shouting. Has the stumping been affected? It's been referred to the third umpire. Rashid Khan once again.
Oh, what a delivery. Very difficult to face him on the first ball. And that too under some pressure. The wrong one. Nicely collected by... Have a look at that. He'll go nice and slow. The back leg is in. The bails have been dislodged. Oh, tough call again. The TV umpire, the third umpire, has had a lot of work today, a lot of pressure that he has been put in, but this time it's a green light again. Not out, but more importantly, it's a dot ball. So 2 balls, 4 runs to win.
Another super over. Is there a possibility of another super over here? They're sending the fieldsman Karim Jannat station at the short fine leg crease, and this is the delivery, searching for the big shot. He heaves it, but not quite making the connection, searching for 2. Throw towards the keeper's hand. They settle for 1. Last delivery, 3 runs to win for Ireland. 2 to tie. And AP picks up a wicket, or just gives a single. It's win for Afghanistan. All 3 results possible here.
We're having another super over. 3 runs required of 1. If Ireland gets 3, it's victory for them. 1 run victory for Afghanistan. 2 run means the super over will continue. Oh, what action on the final day of the Islamic Bank of Afghanistan Cup 2020. Hashtag peace all over. But here it's nervousness, pressure all over. It's Rashid Khan to the senior pro, Kevin O'Brien.
Kevin O'Brien. Can Kevin O'Brien break this streak of losses here? He gets the ball. He hits it high up in the air. The catch should be taken. Will that be? Won't that be killed? Oh, that's a 6. That is a 6. Win for Ireland. Kevin O'Brien has produced the moment that they've been waiting for years. Kevin O'Brien, the hero once again in the World Cup in 2011 against England, and now once again he has produced the shot. Magical connection. The fielder thought there was this moment of taking the catch, but clearing the boundary with quite a distance. No chance for Kes Ahmed. It's win for Ireland, and it's Kevin O'Brien who has produced it.
It's a rare failure in the super over for Rashid Khan, but there we go. The senior pro, one of the biggest names in Irish cricket, and that's Kevin O'Brien, finishes it off in style. And after 7 years, Ireland have defeated Afghanistan. And what an end to the Islamic Bank of Afghanistan Cup 2020. This is what we wanted, and both these champion teams have delivered. The series belongs to Afghanistan, but the final match, the third T20 international, belongs to Ireland. Mighty deserving, but the champions of the series, definitely Afghanistan.
Well, who would have thought at the moment when they got 142 in 20 overs after winning the toss and batting first, everyone was thinking the kind of start they got Afghanistan in the batting department, but it wasn't up to the mark. The middle order collapsed. Gurbaz getting 42 of 20, 9-18 for Ghani, once again getting good start, then 17 and 32, and then Simi Singh coming in and changing the course of the action with McCarthy and Young producing some fine overs under pressure. Only 5 extras, so disciplined they were in the middle overs. McCarthy and Young in particular. In 20 overs, they managed 142 for 7. The match was forced into the super over, but before that, Denley picking up 2 for 21, 1 wicket for McCarthy, only 1 wicket, but boy, bowled superbly in the middle over, got the ball to swing around. And Simi Singh getting those vital 2 wickets. Wicket for Josh Little, he bowled superbly in his second spell. And Craig Young once again delivering that super over. Only 8 runs he conceded in the super over. And Kevin O'Brien dished out the performance. Match summary: Ireland winning the toss, batting first, 142 on batting surface. generally getting 37 of 29. Naveen Ulak once again the star of the show with 3 for 21, 3 wickets for the debutant. In the chase, the match ended in a tie, which was won courtesy that huge 6 from Kevin O'Brien. So the series goes to Afghanistan, 2 matches to 1. We take a short break and we'll be back with the presentation very, very shortly.